You're watching Tap Tech. And today, we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind. DJI is about to change the way we see drones again with the all-new DJI NEO 2. This drone isn't just a small upgrade. It feels like the beginning of a new chapter in compact aerial technology. If you think DJI has already reached its limits, wait till you hear what's coming next. Stay tuned till the end because the features, design, and leaked specs of this drone are absolutely insane. DJI has been dominating the drone world for years, from the iconic Mavic lineup to the creative Spark and Mini series. But the NEO lineup has always been about something different: power and performance in a small, portable design. The first DJI NEO was impressive. It was fast, smart, and stable for its size. But DJI knew it could be better. And that's where the NEO 2 comes in. It's smaller, smarter, and faster than ever before. Let's start with what's catching everyone's attention: the design. The NEO 2 looks futuristic. It's rumored to feature a more aerodynamic body made from lightweight carbon fiber and magnesium alloy. That means it's not just tough, it's built to fly smoother and longer. Early leaks show a slightly slimmer shape, foldable arms, and a more compact controller with built-in display support. It looks like DJI has combined the comfort of the Mini series with the control precision of the Mavic 4 Pro. And let's talk about portability. DJI knows creators don't want to carry bulky gear anymore. The NEO 2 folds down small enough to fit in a jacket pocket. It's travel-friendly, perfect for people who shoot on the go. Yet despite its small size, this drone reportedly offers performance close to the bigger models. Imagine the power of a Mavic, but in something half its weight. Now, let's get into the camera, because that's what makes or breaks a drone. The DJI NEO 2 is expected to come with a brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 6K video at 60 frames per second. That's a massive leap for a drone this small. The original NEO already had solid image quality, but this? This is something else. DJI is reportedly using its new image processing engine, the same one seen in the Mavic 4 Pro prototype. That means sharper details, more accurate colors, and much better low-light performance. For creators, that means your sunset shots, mountain footage, or night city clips will look cinematic without needing heavy color correction. DJI is also said to be working on an upgraded HDR system that can automatically adjust exposure in real time, keeping skies bright and shadows full of detail. You'll get balanced, professional-looking shots even if you're a beginner. Now, one of the biggest upgrades everyone's talking about is the stabilization. DJI might be introducing its new 5-axis gimbal system in the NEO 2. If that's true, it's going to be a game-changer. That means buttery smooth footage, even in windy conditions or fast movements. Combine that with DJI's advanced Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization tech, and you've got a drone that can produce cinema-grade shots straight out of the box. And let's not forget about flight time. According to recent leaks, the NEO 2 could offer up to 46 minutes of flight time, which is incredible for a drone this size. That's nearly 10 minutes more than the previous generation. DJI might be using a new type of high-density lithium polymer battery with improved cooling efficiency. That means longer flights, less charging time, and more creativity in the air. But it's not just about how long it flies, it's about how well it flies. DJI's flight control system is already known for being the smoothest in the industry. With the NEO 2, it's expected to feature upgraded obstacle detection using 360-degree vision sensors. These sensors will work together with the new ActiveTrack 6.0 system to predict your movement, even when the drone temporarily loses sight of the subject. It's smarter, faster, and safer. Now, here's something that's exciting everyone: the AI features. DJI is rumored to be adding a new AI-assisted flight mode that can automatically plan cinematic shots. You simply pick a subject, select a theme like follow, orbit, or dynamic zoom, and the NEO 2 does the rest. It adjusts its altitude, angle, and speed for perfect framing. This could completely change how solo creators shoot videos. You won't need a second person anymore to get those complex tracking shots. Also, let's talk about connectivity. DJI is reportedly introducing its new O4 transmission system with the NEO 2. That means ultra-low latency video feed and a range of up to 20 kilometers. That's insane for a compact drone. Whether you're shooting in the desert or near the ocean, the connection stays rock solid. The controller is expected to have a larger, brighter screen this time, so you can fly confidently even under direct sunlight. Another exciting thing is the rumored voice control feature. DJI might finally introduce limited voice commands for basic functions like takeoff, return home, or capture. It's perfect for creators who wear gloves or operate in tricky weather conditions. Now, one thing that's really impressive: DJI seems to be focusing more on user safety. Reports say the NEO 2 will come with built-in AirSense technology that can detect nearby aircraft and alert the pilot. That's a feature we used to see only in professional drones, now coming to a compact one. It's smart, it's safe, and it shows how much DJI cares about its user base. As for performance, early testers are claiming that the NEO 2 can reach speeds up to 68 km per hour, with ultra-precise braking and hover stability. That's perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects like cars, bikes, or even wildlife. DJI might also include a stealth mode that reduces noise, making the drone quieter for discreet shooting. That's great for travel vloggers or documentary creators who need silent operation. Now, everyone's asking the same question: what's the price going to be? While DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, insiders predict it will start around $1,099 for the standard version and about $1,299 for the Fly More combo. That puts it right between the Mini 4 Pro and the Mavic Air 3, a sweet spot for both hobbyists and professionals. And when can we expect it? The leaks suggest DJI could announce the NEO 2 sometime in late 2025. DJI usually teases products a few weeks before launch, so we might see official trailers soon. If you're someone who travels, creates, or just loves capturing the world from above, the NEO 2 might be the perfect balance of power and portability. DJI is clearly listening to creators. Every new drone feels like it's designed to make flying easier, safer, and more cinematic. And this one seems to take everything to the next level. Imagine having a drone that fits in your backpack but delivers pro-level footage in seconds. That's what the DJI NEO 2 is shaping up to be. It's not just a tool, it's like having your own flying camera crew wherever you go. Before you go, here's something to think about. DJI has built a reputation not just for innovation, but for reliability. Every drone they make pushes the industry forward. And if the leaks about the NEO 2 are real, this drone could easily become the go-to for YouTubers, filmmakers, and travelers around the world. So, what do you think? Will the DJI NEO 2 replace the Mini 4 Pro as the new favorite drone of 2025? Or do you think DJI might surprise us with something even more powerful? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more updates on the latest drones, cameras, and tech gadgets, make sure to hit that like button. It helps the channel more than you think. And don't forget to subscribe to Tap Tech, your home for smart and honest tech reviews made simple. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious, and keep exploring the world from above with Tap Tech.